Again. Do you like your dad?
No.
Why is it?
I hate my dad because when we sleep at night, he always snores.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it loud or? Is it loud or not?
Oh yeah.
Does it disturb you from sleeping?
Sometimes he doesn't. Sometimes he does. Yeah.
What else?
And at my dad, morning time with my dad and mom, my dad always annoys me at morning, and my mom goes, when it's nighttime, she always gets angry at me.
Why am I being angry at you?
You've been screaming, whacking my bum.
Did I walk your bum? You're telling lies now.
No.
You know why I walk your bum? You're being naughty.
When I crackled, I want them to try and help me, but they didn't try and help me.
Help you what?
You didn't even give me the phone.
Because if you use too much phone, your eyes gonna be pop up.
I want my eyes to pop up.
Is that what you want? Well, let me get it right now. So you wanna be blind or something like that? Oh, that's why I try to control your phone usage.
What's phone usage?
The use of phone. Get up. Because I want you to have a good eyesight. What is wrong with you, Sam? You put your finger in your nose and you eat it. Enough.
Now
More. Sam, you're gonna get sick with that mouth. Enough. 1, 2. You're not gonna stop it. You're gonna be leaving outside soon. You're being naughty. That's not very nice. That's not very good. You're gonna get sick with that. Trust me. You're gonna have to listen to Mama. You disgusting.
I don't want any more. I don't want any more.
No, I'm not bugging. Enough.
Well, I'm hungry.
It doesn't mean that you're gonna eat your boogie.
I don't have nowhere to put my boogie.
Go get some tissue.
No. I hate tissue.
I'm gonna give you a flick soon.
I just farted.
You'd always do anyway.
Mom, are you hiding secrets from me?
What secret are you talking about?
I heard the news. Mommy Marnie was using some secrets.
What secret?
Secrets.
What secret are you talking about?
Mommy Marnie was using secrets, and she never told me.
Why would I tell you? That means it's a secret. It means I'm not gonna tell you. It's a secret, just for me only.
And the news told me I should spy on my mom all day.
Who said you're gonna be spying on me?
The news.
What news? Where did you learn that one?
From the coronavirus news.
It doesn't say like that.
Yeah.
No, I think you listened the wrong news, I think.
No.
Or you're making your own news.
I'm making my own news.
You're always a liar, aren't you?
I'm not a liar.
You know, what are you?
I'm a Dumbo.
Ah, thanks God, you just admit that you're a Dumbo.
Daddy always says I'm a little rat bag, and Daddy always speaks bad language.
Like what? Stop that one. Like what?
Like,
Because you're being bad to your daddy.
he just says something to everyone.
Like what?
Like, he says fucking wanker.
Hey.
Like that.
No, you listen to your dad, don't you?
No, I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth, like, I'm telling the truth from Dad.
So you follow your dad, don't you?
If Daddy says bad word, I am gonna to follow it. And then I
You gotta have to tell that, Dad. That's a bad word, Dad. Don't say that one, or else I'm gonna follow you.
No, I'm shy. I'm shy.
Why are you shy?
And
Next time, give Daddy a whack.
Whack on his bum.
That's right. That's what you're gonna do. She's being naughty.
He always being naughty to me.
You been a good girl to Dad today? What did you do?
I did nothing.
So did you study?
No.
Did you write your name?
No, I
Why
just
not?
self-fund.
No. Next time I'm gonna turn off that internet before I go.
I don't want to. But I promise this time I don't want to.
Next time when I go,
Yeah?
next time I'm not here, you just study, huh?
But Mom, can you leave the internet on?
Yep. If you promise that you're going to study.
Okay. When I finish studying, can I cell phone?
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.